Finding a center spot on our showroom floor here at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia is this beautiful 1970 Chevrolet Corvette LT1 350 370 horsepower coupe. This is a stunning car. You know, it's one of those, I get to see a lot of cars while we're shooting videos here at Buyavette in Atlanta, but this is one of those you just have to stop and take a look at for a little bit because this is absolutely beautiful. It is that code correct Daytona Yellow on the exterior, has the code correct black interior, and it has been upgraded to leather seating surfaces as well. It has a numbers matching 370 horsepower 350 cubic inch LT1 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. This car is a classic and it's going to be fun to drive. Features include aftermarket tilt steering column, power windows, AM/FM radio. We know it was originally assembled on May 25th, 1970. It's fun to know those things. And this 70 Corvette LT1 is in very nice condition inside and out. Take a look at the video here, but also you can click the link down below and find pricing, and it'll take you to beautiful detailed photos of this car. The car's paint looks to be more recent and is in very good condition with a great shine. Those front chrome bumpers show good condition finish, and the rear shows very good condition finish as well. Weather stripping, taillights are all very good. Chrome exterior door handles are in very good to excellent condition, and those rally wheels are in very good to excellent condition with trim rings and center caps. All look great. Just an absolutely beautiful car. Now, the interior of this 70 Corvette LT1 shows very good added leather seats, very good gauges, center console, good condition steering wheel, and very good to excellent cut pile carpeting. Beautiful car. Door panels and rear storage bins all look great. It has the correct appearing AM/FM radio, and it has that numbers matching LT1 engine, and it shows the original casting date on the engine of April 7th, 1970. Beautiful, beautiful car. Remember, all of our cars here are hand-picked at buyavette.net. Stop, if you're going through Atlanta, stop in and see us. This is probably the next best thing to the Corvette Museum. But anyway, if you'd like to know more about this car, remember we can make buying online something you can do with ease and confidence, and we can ship anywhere in the country, probably less expensive than you'd ever imagine. So if you'd like to know more, give one of our sales representatives a call here at 770-414-5552. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the notification button. You'll see all these new Corvettes that come to our showroom floor. Remember, we're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to see you or hear from you really soon. We want to help put this Corvette in your driveway yet this week. How about that? buyavette.net, Atlanta, Georgia.